Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. It is Christmas Eve and it is time for a shave. And what better soap than to use Stirling's Christmas Eve. Now, if you guys have smelled this scent, it is definitely a Christmassy vibe. I'm getting kind of a Christmas tree and a fir. There's just all kinds of things inside here. It's not just a pine scent, but it is very nice. And unfortunately, I do not have the matching aftershave, so I will use some of this unscented, and it is getting very low. I do have that whipped up already in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. Wow, what a scent. And I figured to go with the theme, I would use this beautiful Trotters Handcraft brush. Look at that. No problems whipping up the soap. And there is a generous amount of soap in there and a nice price. It has gotten very cold outside. Yesterday morning, or was it yet? No, it wasn't yesterday. What day was that? Thursday. My days are all messed up. Thursday morning, I woke up, it was 39 degrees, which wasn't too bad. But by the end of the day, that, what was it? The Siberian blizzard or front came in and all that good stuff. And by the end of the day, it dropped down to 10 degrees. Today's razor is going to be the Occams Nano, or it may also be called the OREN by whoever. And I've got the blade already loaded in there, and it is a feather ProGuard. And I've just been feeling like a single edge shave for a while, and this one fits the bill. Let me go ahead and warm up my razor, and let's get our shave going. Look at that. Got a fresh haircut too. I was needing one. Very nice. 2 days worth of growth, no problems mowing it down, no problems rinsing out. Getting a little close to the old goatee. Yes, sir. This afternoon, we'll be going over to my parents' house, and we do the white elephant gift exchange, so that is always fun. You know, when I first got this razor, I was a little iffy on, you know, you had heard different people talk about, I don't know, you probably can't hear that, but some people talk about the chatter on the blade. And I was always under the impression that you have to have the blade clamped down so tightly. And it's almost near impossible to show. But that blade does have a little bit of wiggle and jiggle in it. But once it begins to shave, it has no issue. There's no vibration or anything like that. It's just when it isn't under tension on your skin. And I really thought it would probably be really tuggy. And if you guys remember, that razor was originally black. And I wanted a beautiful polished stainless steel instead of black, because once you start using the black a little bit, the soap tends to get in there and it kind of looks chalky, and then you're constantly doing extra cleaning. And whenever I first got that, it didn't chatter. And I realized after, you know, I think they had some tolerance issues. And so by adding that black paint, it made those little studs inside this cap actually a little thicker. And so it took up that slack and it didn't let it chatter. And when I removed that, it created the chatter, which is no big deal to me as long as it shaves. And it does shave very nicely. And it makes the shave go so fast because it covers such an area. I mean, I'm just now poking 6 minutes. And my rinse bowl is getting full of lather. It's crazy. Enough talk about that. Do you guys have any new shave gear or thinking about new shave gear? Are you revisiting anything that you've used before but haven't in a while? I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water and I will be right back. Well, one thing I was going to mention is I actually do a warm water rinse, and then whenever I'm done cleaning up all the soap and stuff, I do the cold water, and I just feel like it's refreshing. I don't know why that little cap always sticks on that one. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Seems like when it's video time. Oh yeah, man. Got a little cut on my finger, and that menthol, whew. Can't see it. All right, star jelly time. And wow, the shave is coming to an end. I cannot believe it. I figured I would just jump on here and do a quick shave because I'm not 100% sure if I want to do a shave on Christmas Day. If I do, it will be in the evening. So I thought I would just do a little quick one here for you guys. And I'd like to say thank you for sticking with me. I'll put a little picture right here of everything that I used, or the main things that you guys are interested in. And I will see you on the next shave. You have a great rest of your week, and Merry Christmas.